know my guys, them love me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know, but if you ask them love me.
Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Mary Gorechi, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I know it's been a while since actually it's not been a while, but it's been a while since I started my YouTube channel, and I haven't been like posting any videos on it. So I just said that why not start today, because I've been like postponing, saying I'll start it, and I say to myself, till when? So yeah, so today as I begin this journey, I want to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and kindly don't forget to share, like and comment this video. Yeah, thank you. Yes guys, so without wasting time, let's get into it. Today is on the 30th of August. It's around 5:20 p.m. I just come back from work, and yes, I want to freshen up and then see what I'll make for dinner. And actually I came back with some meat, so I think I'll be preparing some meat and ugali and some kienyeji mboga. Yes, so before jumping into the bathroom first, I'll put my meal to boil so that, yes, while I take my shower, my meat will be boiling. Yeah, so let me first put the meat to boil, then head to take my shower. Yup. Yes, I'm back guys. So I'd taken a shower, rested for a while, then right now currently it's 7:10 p.m. so I just want to cook my dinner, yeah, then have a good meal. So my meat is already ready, so I just want to fry it, then prepare my vegetables and my ugali. Yeah, so let me show you guys my meat, goat meat. Yes, yeah, so that is my meat guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake. Good morning guys. So today is on Saturday. Actually it's around 8:30 a.m. so I just want to, the first thing that I want to do is cleaning, yeah, then see what the day has to offer. Yeah, so see you later guys. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. A very good morning to you guys. Yes, today is on Monday, and as you can see, I'm heading out to work. Yeah, and this is my outfit of the day. Yup, my outfit. So see you when you see me. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love? Take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show? Take for you to show
our market days. On Mondays, it's usually our market days here. When I just come back from work, so I passed through the market first and got a few things. Nenda kubuy nyanya, vitunguu for the week. Yeah, so some cucumber here, some ginger, some beetroot for my green juice, some melons here, lemons and carrots, some oranges, some nyanyas and vitungus. Yes, I'm now set for the week. Yeah, actually it's way cheaper buying things like this on the market days compared to buying them like on a daily basis. So yeah, those are the things that I got from the market. So I just want to arrange them, then see what next. Actually, after finishing, I think I'll prepare some. Today I feel like eating some chapati, so I still have a long journey ahead of.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? So you
Akisi nimechoka. Today, leo ni Wednesday. Yes, actually, yes. Leo ni Wednesday. Ndio nimetoka kazi. And I'm so tired, honestly. And yeah, this thing is not for the weak. Yeah. But I'm trying my best, actually. I want to be like, nataka to kujaribu my best and try to be like consistent in posting and making videos. Yes. So yeah, I'm from work. Yes. So actually, what do I want to do? Rest up for a short while. Then yeah, see what next. Rest for a while. Prepare something to eat. Take a shower. Watch a movie. Go to bed. Because honestly, I'm tired. I'm so tired today. Good morning, my beautiful people. I hope you are all doing well. Yes. Currently it's 5:40 a.m. and yeah, I had to exercise a little bit. Yeah. So I just want to change now, then go and exercise for a while.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so nilienda, went for my morning walk, then came back and took a shower. Now dressed up, ready for work. Yes guys, so let me show you my outfit for the day real quick. Then I grab something to eat and head out to work because I'm already late for work. Yeah, so let me show you yes, so that is my outfit for today. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm happy that say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you, now in my ritual.